Inside the Mega Donut Factory, how automation produces thousands daily donuts from shops are made using an impressive automated process, blending precision and creativity. It starts with spiral mixers preparing the dough, which is rolled, dusted with flour, and shaped into sheets. Machines then cut perfect donut shapes, saving the center holes as extras. The donuts are proof to rise, giving them their signature fluffiness, then fried evenly on both sides using precision belts. After frying, donuts cool and are filled with creams or jams before dipping into melted chocolate or glazing waterfalls for a shiny, sweet finish. Toppings like sprinkles or nuts are added with exacting efficiency, creating irresistible designs. Each step ensures uniformity, hygiene, and speed, culminating in perfectly packed donuts ready for customers. This automated process not only enhances consistency, but also reduces manual labor, making every bite a testament to modern culinary technology. Now you know the magic behind your favorite treat.